What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we're back on the Jaguar rebuild part 2. This video we're gonna be buying a donor car, as you guys could tell by the thumbnail. We did a bunch of research trying to find used parts and new parts, and everything was coming out so expensive. We got a couple quotes on the used parts and new parts, and everything was so expensive. So financially it made sense to find a donor car, and we found the perfect donor car. We got super lucky with this one. We found a 2015 Jaguar 5.0 engine, same color, same everything, so we end up buying it. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys the live auction, me bidding on the car, picking the car up and taking the car apart. So if you guys enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because you don't want to miss any new videos. We got new videos every week, new video. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. Super excited about this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. Let's go look at the Jaguar F-Type. Man, this car's been pain in the butt to find parts. It's like crazy. No used parts whatsoever. I found couple, but they're different model. They're 3.0 and this is the 5.0. As far as the intakes go and stuff like that, it's completely different. Been going back and forth, and we finally found a donor car. It's local in Van Nuys, exactly same model, same year, and it's a fire damage. Looks like something caught on fire. The interior, it just burned everything except the front end, so that's exactly what we need. From this side impact, everything got damaged. All the radiators, condenser, reinforcement, air boxes, so everything is damaged and everything cost a lot of money at the dealership. So we found the perfect donor car. It's playing very soon, so let's go and I'll show you what the car looks like, and hopefully we'll buy it. So let's go and check it out. So while we have a couple of minutes before the auction starts, let me show you guys the quotes that we got. 3 quotes, 2 for used parts, and then the third one, everything from the dealer. So we'll start with the used one. So I found a junkyard located on the East Coast. They have the front end. They wouldn't sell anything separate. They said they had to sell the whole front clip of the car. Here's the pictures, and here's the invoice that they gave me. Everything would come out shipped to California, 9,500 bucks. And I also found on eBay a complete front end clip from UK, and they wanted, I reached out to them, they wanted 7,000, everything shipped, and front grille is broken. Both of the cars, they're 3.0, so the air intakes are completely different. I would still have to buy them, each $1,000 at the dealer, and I couldn't find any used ones. Only thing I was able to find used on eBay, it was the front headlights for 2. Here's the link. They wanted 1,500 bucks pretty much, and then complete bumper, here's the link, they wanted 2,700 bucks pretty much, so still a little pricey. And here's the quote from the dealer, everything brand new, and this is retail. Here's the 2 invoices. We'll probably get 20% discount, but still it comes out to be really expensive. So that's why we made the decision just to wait and try to find a donor car. It took us about probably 2 months to find this donor car, and we finally found it, and it's a perfect car because everything is gone except for the front end, so it worked out perfectly fine. So let's go, the auction's about to start, and I'll show you guys how much we paid for the car. And here's the car. This is the donor car, so if everything goes well, we should be able to buy it. The car is local here in Van Nuys. This is a perfect donor car. Let's take a look. Boom, there it is. So yeah, bumper is good, reinforcement, radiators, air boxes, pretty much everything. Whatever we need, the car has. Looks like the interior caught on fire, but engine compartment is good. So if everything goes well, we should be able to buy it. Rebid stopped at 2250. Wish me luck. Okay, it's coming up. It's gonna be next. Ooh. Oh, hopefully we'll get it. We'll find out very soon. Come on, give it to me. It's Papa's car. Come on. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, give it to me. Give me the car, it's my car. Come on, give it to me. Bro, it's my car, don't even bid. Don't even bid. Come on. Give it to me. You. Come on, come on. Yes. Are you kidding me? Come on. 5 grand, we'll take it. You. Yeah. Yes. We got it. Oh man, that was a little woo. My heart is beating. Somebody else wanted that real bad, but no sir, it's our car. Yes. Woo. Yes. All right guys, we won the Jag, so we finally could put it back together. Woo. So total comes out to 6,000, little under 6,000. So got the trailer hooked up and we're ready to go pick up the Jag. There it is. It's about an hour and a half drive, no traffic hopefully. Thank you to coronavirus. So hopefully we'll be quick. So let's jump and head down there. Let's roll. Pulling up to the auction, Van Nuys, and crazy. I never ever experienced this. It took me less than an hour to get to the auction. No traffic whatsoever. Not too many cars. There's cars, but not too many cars. So this whole time I was just flying 75, 80. So this is very, very rare for LA not to have traffic. And we have arrived to Copart, Van Nuys. There it is. Hopefully the line's not gonna be long. Hopefully it will be quick in and out, pick up the car and bounce back to Orange County. Oh, doesn't look too busy. Right, so we parked the truck and time to go inside, pay for the car and get everything set up, get the gate pass release. That's it, just got all the paperwork. So gotta wait for them to bring the car out, and once they do, we'll secure it. So hopefully it doesn't take too long, but we'll find out. Here's the Jag. There it is. Good old Jag. Damn, this thing is crazy. Okay, got some potential. Definitely got some potential. Got through the bumper. Oh, we could save that. That's it. The car is secured and ready to roll. Check it out. Man, this is a perfect car. So everything we need is in perfect condition. So the car still has coolant, oil, all the liquids, so everything is good. So exactly what we need. Let's head back to the shop and we could start working on this car finally. Just arrived back at the shop. We're gonna unload this bad boy. Right next to his new friend. So we're finally gonna be able to put this car back together. We got all the parts and same color. So yep, this is how we're gonna rebuild this bad boy with this one. Unload the car and we'll start working on it very shortly. That is it. So let me introduce you to your donor. So hello, Mr. Jaguar. Introduce you to your donor car. So thanks to this Jag for sacrificing his life to bring back this beauty behind me. So perfect damage, everything what we need. It's good on this car, so we're just gonna transfer everything onto this beauty and should be good. So should be a fun rebuild. We're gonna start taking everything apart and we'll start working on the other car. So yeah, this should be fun. I'm gonna jack up the car right now and start removing all the under shields and all that good stuff. So let the fun begin. I got my baggies, I'm gonna bag everything and my tools. So I just removed the hood. Next I'm gonna remove the bumper, but let's take a look. Let me show you how everything is perfect up here. Nothing got damaged or burned. Everything is good. Still has the coolant, AC in it, so perfect car. The engine looks perfect. No damage, no burn to the engine. If somebody needs an engine, this is a 5.0 supercharged. It's gonna be available for sale, so shoot me a DM either on Instagram or email. I'll put a link in description. So yeah, please let me know if you guys need any kind of parts from this car. I'll be more than happy to sell you the parts, so let me know. Let's continue removing the bumper. So far everything looks good. I love it. Perfect car. Couldn't be happier. So we got a little progress report, everything coming off pretty good for the most part. It's like a really big challenging Lego puzzle, that's all I have to say. But let's take a look. So yeah, I got most of the stuff off, but look how many plastics on plastics on plastics. So yeah, I got the reinforcement, the air boxes, everything removed. I'll remove the upper support right now. So yeah, slowly coming together. So right now I'm draining the coolant. I'm gonna get all the coolant. I'm gonna try to remove the coolant system completely with the fan, with all the radiators, so I have to take piece by piece. Yeah, still got good coolant and all that good stuff, so that's really good. That's it, just remove the coolant system completely, the whole assembly, so I don't have to take it apart part by part. So that's a really big deal. It's got saved me tons of time to put it back together. But let's take a look. Check out this coolant system. Nice, look at this. This is so expensive. I think each radiator is like $700 or something ridiculous. Next, I gotta remove the rails, and we're pretty much done with this car. So engine is perfectly fine. Check it out, guys. So everything looks good. Belt. So yeah, engine should be good. So if anybody needs an engine, I got you. So right now I'm gonna remove those rails, and that's it, we're done. That's it, just strip the whole Jag. So now I got all the parts to rebuild the other one. Let's take a look. Boom. So yeah, I just removed all the rails, so that's what I needed, and the whole complete coolant system. Here's the frame rails. At the dealer, those are very expensive. So I got all that. From bumper complete. Reinforcement, upper radiator support, and then the air intake boxes. Pretty much I got everything. Fender liner, The only thing, I'm gonna have to get a right side fender liner because it got slightly melted right here on the edge, but other than that, 98% of the parts. Gonna have to get a couple little plastic, like I gotta get one of those on both sides. They're broken. We'll start working on the other car. So far so good. Super happy and excited. I want to do like a little giveaway, maybe like a grill or an emblem from the Jag, like maybe this Jag or like this. I don't know. Comment below if you guys want to get something from this car, maybe for your man cave, you want to hang on your wall, or LNC t-shirt. I could do a giveaway, so comment below and we could do something. I'm always up for some giveaway, you know, a little appreciation for you guys watching the channel and being so awesome. You guys are rock star, like I told you guys before. So yeah, comment below and we'll get something going. I got all my goodies so I could put the car back together, no problem. Let's take a look. All kinds of goodies. And the best part, it's same color as the car, so I don't have to paint any of those little structural pieces. The only thing I'm gonna paint is the front bumper, and that's pretty much it. Wow, super excited. That's the best way to rebuild the car, when you got all the parts to every single bolt. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for another episode. In the next video, we're gonna put the car on the frame machine and start working on the frame rails, pretty much putting the car back together. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification because you don't want to miss any new videos. And if you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check it out, so you could be up to date. So thank you once again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания.